It's called the Revolt concept. Revolt is a sort of hybrid mix of name between Volt for the electric and Revolution for the new era of plug-in motoring we're about to enter. The 2CV was legendary for its flimsy upside-down pram-looking design, but in contrast, this Revolt is like a 2CV which has spent the last 20 years down the gym building itself up. The back end and the roof is a real throwback to the old 2CV with the curved look, but the rest is pure space age. The roof has solar panels in it which will actually power the electrics for the sat-nav and air-con. This is Citroen's brand new Super Mini, which will be out in 2013, and I'm getting the first UK drive of this car in the centre of Paris on a busy Friday morning. This concept, which is actually completely battery powered like the Vauxhall Ampera, costs a whopping £1 million. So driving in a busy city centre on a busy Friday morning, it's quite a worrying experience, especially with the mad Parisian drivers who don't care much for the highway code. In fact, it's a bit Keystone Cops, to be honest. The interior looks like someone's just had a fight in Jonathan Ross's wardrobe. It's been designed completely for women. Normal materials in a normal car, like plastic and wood, have been replaced by thick crimson velvet, carbon fibre and even crystals. Of course, when the final Revolt is built, it will lose a lot of this interior, which is sure to upset Dale Winton. Citroen are promising that this is a car that would appeal to both men and women. The Revolt is 3.8 metres long and is based on the same platform as the current C3 and DS3. Under the wacky chassis is a similar setup to the forthcoming Vauxhall Ampera, with a small internal combustion engine that assists on powerful electric motors. That will enable the Revolt to deliver low emissions and fuel economy of around 80 miles per gallon, which means you won't continually get clobbered by the budget. On our exclusive first drive around the Champs-Élysées in Paris, the Revolt was completely silent because it was using just electric power. And although just a concept car, it promises the Revolt will certainly be a fun and very sporty Super Mini when it arrives on UK roads. But there's little doubt Citroen are back to their best with groundbreaking design cars. And after the success of the C3 Picasso, C3 and DS3, the Revolt is set to be another surefire hit.